Hey guys, it's Kiera from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue our Clickbank case study. Alright, so um, we did not get a sale as you can see here. So what we're going to do, we're going to continue on what we were doing here. We're going to click on Marketplace, of course, and head straight to e-business and e-marketing. Remember, this only works with e-business and e-marketing because My Lead Gen Secrets is all about making money online. So click on this right here. And the product that I've seen the most success with is this product here, Savings Highway Global. What did I just say? I meant to say social paid media. Get paid to you, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. This product here seems to do the best for me. Now, another product that does well is this one here, but this does the best for me. I don't know, maybe you could try this out and give it a shot. I noticed that the emails are a little flat, so you need to change the emails a little bit. Other than that, I think it'll work out really well. So we're going to continue on with this product here. So we're going to click on this product, this affiliate page here. We're going to get the emails because this system, My Lead Gen system, is secrets is all about mailing emails, and so we're going to get on to that. So let's go and click on mailing system here. All right, so we're going to click on email swipes here. Now, the first two, I noticed something. The first two emails are the ones that perform the best for me. So either one of these will do really well, I think. So fit something like $840 a week commenting on YouTube videos. Invitation to comment on YouTube. I gotta think about it a little bit more. But we're gonna go here. We're gonna click on this. We're gonna click on that here. Now what you want to do, you want to pick, we're gonna try doing something a little different than before. We're gonna pick $signs here. Now if you don't know what My Lead Gen Secrets is, I'm sorry, I'm kind of speeding through this. I like to try to go ahead and give you guys the information and show you how fast you can get through this, and you just do this every day and make an income. It's simple, real easy to do. So we get rid of this $840, get rid of that bucks, and we'll put comment on YouTube videos, invitation to comment on YouTube videos. On video. Make sure it's spelled well. I don't know how to spell commenting now I think about it. It's like one of them words I don't really think about that much, but when I sit there and try to type it out, I'm like, how do you spell that word? I'm thinking a little too hard, that's all it is. Anyway, I'm pinning the first name here. I picked the first name here. Right there. Boom. Now that's a really good title, I think. And so you can delete this here. Oh, I already sent the email. I'm sorry about that, guys. I already sent the email earlier today. I just thought it just crossed my mind when I saw the timer. I wasn't too sure, but I did. But anyway, I'm just gonna show y'all what I did. This is what I'm doing here. So you just copy this here. You signature, blah blah blah, need to be quit, blah. Right. So you can do this, and you can just post it in like that right here. You pretty much, the words don't really, like the email itself don't really matter here. I like to pick social paid here. I like to pick social paid right there. Bold this. I'm just showing you exactly what I'd do if I was sending it myself already, or what I did earlier. So we just, change company to your area, so it'll make sense, you know what I mean? Want to make 800, let's put a $sign here, 840 bucks per week, like that. And it looks a little cleaner. All right. Replace the name with first name fits. Remember to get first name, cause you pick name that sounds weird. Like, hey, Michael Keaton. His whole name. It sounds kind of weird. It sounds a little too much. So we just picked the first name there, and I think that works really well. It's all about personal and being casual. Cause being professional makes people nervous. So don't try to be too professional. But which is an issue I think a lot of people run into. They try to be too professional with their emails and such, and it kind of comes off as very robotic and very like, if you don't join, we have many others that can. You know what I mean? Like, we're not, when you make it more personal, you make it kind of feel like, hey, they're special. I think that's what really works really well. So yeah, you'll just do what I just did there, and you copy. And if you got multiple accounts, all you had to do is make a different one like that, and you log out on this one, and post and copy and paste the email here, and do the same as that thing, back to back. Essentially, right? So that's what you do in general. All right, but I mean, if you want to build up, recurring income, you can always refer to let me find it real quick. Savings Highway Global here. Savings Highway Global, you can get recurring income every single day here. And it can slowly build up over time. You see, I've getting paid $335. I'm gonna continuously get paid because I got people in my service. So I'm continuously get paid every month. That, well, not $300, but that's how much I'm been paid so far using the system. All right, so I just want to inform you, I have a link in the description for that as well. You can check that out. All right, so that's about it, guys. This is a very short video. I know it was very easy and simple to understand. We'll try to get a sale and so on and so forth. See what happens in the future, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Oh, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and make sure to hit that notification bell for when I make another video about this. Honestly, I want to talk about that real quick. Some people was talking to me and telling me I was doing the same thing over and over again, and I'm gonna tell you, in general, those are the people you want to watch. People who do the same thing over and over again, because ultimately, if they're doing the same thing over and over again, they know for sure that this works. When you see people kind of hopping back and forth, they trying to make clickbaity, like, well, I do that too. I do clickbaity thumbnails. But anyway, when they make the clickbaity thumbnail, and every time they put out a video, there's a different way to make money online. There's no way they've been able to test and see if it works. There's just no way. They ain't got enough time. They ain't put enough time into it yet. So, and now, when you see that they haven't made money with that method yet, but they're showing you that because it's clickbaity, it's a way to make money. It can work 100%, but they haven't made money with it yet. But they saying that you can make a lot of money doing this. You know what I mean? When they keep switching ways in which how they make money, that's when you gotta realize, hold up, they keep showing me a bunch of different ways to make money. Something's up here. Unless it's more like a case study, or like they seeing something, they saying you could make money doing this, and then they kind of doing like a case study, like I'm doing right here right now with this series here. Then don't really believe them, because there's no way to tell. All right guys, so pay attention to people that kind of show the same video over and over again, but those are the people you want to watch, because they're constantly showing you, hey, they make money doing this. All right. And I've shown you guys multiple proof that I totally make money doing this, right? All right, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I already said that. All right, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.